Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Smart English Official. Do you know many English words but still can't speak fluently?
Yes, your mind suddenly goes blank, right?
That's because you didn't learn English patterns.
And today we will show you 20 powerful patterns that can help you speak hundreds of sentences in English.
Stay with us because this lesson might completely change the way you speak English.
Okay, Lima, let's get started.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Smart English Official. I am Lima.
And I am James. And if you are new here, welcome to the family.
This channel is for you, for beginners, for early English learners, for people who want to speak English but feel nervous.
And today we have something very, very special.
We have 20 powerful English patterns. Just 20, but with these 20 patterns, you can speak hundreds of sentences.
No big grammar rules, no difficult words, just simple, useful patterns.
Patterns that real English speakers use every single day.
Are you ready?
Okay, James. Let's start with a very common one. I'm thinking about.
Oh yes, this is a great one. I'm thinking about means something is in your mind right now. You are thinking about it.
For example, I'm thinking about learning a new skill. I'm thinking about changing my job. I'm thinking about moving to a new city.
Simple, right? So what are you thinking about right now?
Honestly, I'm thinking about eating lunch.
Me too. Okay, next one. This one is so important. I'm trying to.
I'm trying to means you are making effort. You are working on something.
Like, I'm trying to speak English every day. I'm trying to be more confident. I'm trying to understand this lesson.
And if it is negative, I'm trying not to make mistakes. I'm trying not to waste time.
I'm trying not to fall asleep at work.
James.
What? It's a real sentence. Pattern 3, I'm used to.
Okay, let's keep going. Next is I'm used to. This is a very powerful pattern.
I'm used to means something is normal for you now. You do it all the time. It is not new or difficult anymore.
For example, I'm used to waking up early. I'm used to speaking English at work. I'm used to the cold weather.
And the negative?
I'm not used to means something still feels new. Something still feels strange or hard. Like, I'm not used to eating spicy food. I'm not used to sleeping late.
Great pattern. Very useful. Pattern 4, I'm supposed to. Now this one is really interesting. I'm supposed to.
I'm supposed to means someone expects you to do something. It is your duty, or it is the plan.
Like, I'm supposed to finish this report today. I'm supposed to call my teacher. I'm supposed to be at the meeting by 9 a.m.
And when you didn't do it, you say, I was supposed to study yesterday, but I watched Netflix instead.
We have all said that. Pattern 5, I'd love to.
Okay, this one makes you sound very polite and very natural. I'd love to.
I'd love to means you really want to do something. You are happy about it.
Like, I'd love to visit Japan one day. I'd love to improve my English. I'd love to join your team.
This is great for interviews too. When someone asks, would you like to work with us? You say, I'd love to.
So much better than just saying yes.
So much better. Pattern 6, have you ever?
Let me ask you something. Have you ever felt nervous speaking English?
Oh yes, many times. See? Have you ever is a question pattern. It asks about your experience, something in your life.
Like, have you ever traveled alone? Have you ever tried Indian food? Have you ever spoken English to a stranger?
And you answer with, yes, I have, or no, I haven't.
Simple. And it opens great conversations.
Pattern 7, what if?
Now here is a fun one. What if?
What if?
What if is used when you imagine something. You think about a possibility.
Like, what if I make a mistake? What if nobody understands me? What if I try and fail?
And here is my answer to all of those. What if you try and you succeed.
Ooh, I love that.
Don't let what if stop you. Let what if push you forward.
Pattern 8. Make sure to.
Okay, next one. This is very useful in daily life. Make sure to.
Make sure to means don't forget. Do this, it is important.
Like, make sure to bring your book. Make sure to drink water. Make sure to practice English today.
And I want to say to you right now, make sure to watch this full video because the best patterns are coming.
Note, stay with us, seriously.
Pattern 9. I can't wait to.
Oh, I love this one. I can't wait to.
This means you are very excited. You are looking forward to something. You are so happy about it.
Like, I can't wait to go on vacation. I can't wait to see you again. I can't wait to finish this project.
For me, I can't wait to eat dinner tonight.
James, you are always thinking about food.
I'm a simple man. Pattern 10. I'm worried about.
Okay, let's talk about feelings now. Real feelings. I'm worried about.
I'm worried about means you feel nervous about something. You have fear inside.
Like, I'm worried about my exam. I'm worried about making mistakes. I'm worried about my health.
And if you feel this, it's okay. Everyone feels worried sometimes.
But here is something important. Don't say, I'm worried, then stop. Talk about it. Use the pattern. I'm worried about my English, so I am practicing every day. That is the right way. Pattern 11. I keep. Now this one is very, very common. I keep.
I keep means you do something again and again. Sometimes you don't want to, but it keeps happening.
Like, I keep forgetting new words. I keep making the same mistake. I keep checking my phone.
Guilty. I keep checking my phone too.
We all do. And you can use it positively too. I keep practicing. I keep improving. I keep trying.
That's the spirit. Pattern 12. I'm proud of.
Okay, this one is very important. I'm proud of. I'm proud of means you feel happy and strong about something. You feel good inside.
Like, I'm proud of my hard work. I'm proud of my progress. I'm proud of you.
And I want to say this to you right now. If you are watching this video, if you are trying to improve, we are proud of you.
Truly, keep going. Pattern 13. It's time to.
All right, it's time to.
It's time to means now is the moment. Do it now, don't wait.
Like, it's time to start learning. It's time to stop making excuses. It's time to speak English with confidence.
It's time to practice. It's time to take action.
Yes, this pattern gives you energy. It pushes you forward.
Next one, very useful for sounding confident. I'm sure that.
I'm sure that means you believe something. You are confident about it.
Like, I'm sure that you can do this. I'm sure that practice will help. I'm sure that things will get better.
And here is something I want you to remember. I'm sure that your English will improve if you keep watching, if you keep practicing. I'm sure that.
Oh, by the way.
What? By the way is our next pattern.
Oh, nice. I see what you did there.
Giggles. By the way is used when you add a new idea, something extra, something you just remembered.
Like, by the way, I forgot to tell you something. By the way, the meeting was moved to Friday. By the way, have you watched our last video?
Speaking of which, if you haven't, go watch it after this one.
By the way, don't forget to like and subscribe.
Okay, this one will help you start great conversations. What do you think about?
This question asks for someone's opinion, their view, their feeling about something.
Like, what do you think about this idea? What do you think about learning online? What do you think about this English pattern? And you can answer by saying, I think it is useful. I think it is a little hard. I think it is great.
So now, what do you think about this video so far?
Tell us in the comments. We love reading your answers.
Now here is one that helps you talk about yourself. I'm good at.
I'm good at means this is your skill. You can do this well.
Like, I'm good at cooking. I'm good at listening. I'm good at learning new things.
And the opposite, I'm not good at, means this is something you find difficult. Like, I'm not good at singing. James, are you really not good at singing?
Trust me, you do not want to hear me sing.
Okay, moving on.
Okay, very important pattern. Don't forget to.
Don't forget to is used to remind someone, to help them remember.
Like, don't forget to bring your notebook. Don't forget to practice today. Don't forget to eat breakfast.
And I want to remind you, don't forget to repeat these patterns. Say them out loud. Practice them. Write them down.
That is the most important step. Don't forget to practice.
Almost done, but these last two are very special. As long as.
As long as means if one condition is true, something else will happen.
Like, as long as you practice, your English will improve. As long as you don't give up, you will succeed. As long as you keep watching, you will keep learning.
So this pattern gives people hope. It gives a condition. It says, if you do this, then that will happen.
And our final pattern for today, the most important one, I believe in.
I believe in means you have trust, you have faith in something or in someone.
Like, I believe in hard work. I believe in never giving up. I believe in you.
Yes, we believe in you. Everyone watching this right now, we believe in you.
You started this video. You stayed till the end. That already shows something about you.
That shows that you're serious. You're ready. You want to improve.
And as long as you keep trying, I'm sure that you will get there.
Okay, let's review quickly. Today we learned 20 powerful patterns.
I'm thinking about. I'm trying to. I'm used to. I'm supposed to. I'd love to.
Have you ever? What if? Make sure to. I can't wait to. I'm worried about.
I keep. I'm proud of. It's time to. I'm sure that. By the way.
What do you think about? I'm good at. Don't forget to. As long as. I believe in.
20 patterns, hundreds of sentences, all in simple English.
Now here is your homework. Pick 3 patterns from today. Just 3.
Write 1 sentence for each. Put them in the comments below. We will read them. We will reply.
And if you enjoyed this video, please like it. Share it with a friend who is learning English.
And subscribe to Smart English Official so you never miss a lesson.
We will see you in the next one. Keep practicing, keep believing,
and keep learning with Smart English Official. Bye for now.
See you soon.